Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best countertop dishwasher is probably one of the most convenient and space-saving kitchen appliances available today, especially for those living in smaller homes, apartments, or RVs, offering a practical solution to the daily chore of washing dishes without the need for a full-sized installation. These compact yet powerful machines can handle a surprising amount of dishes, making them an ideal choice for individuals or small families looking to streamline their kitchen routine and reclaim valuable counter space. Number 5. NOVETE Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Don't let its small size fool you. This compact dishwasher fits up to 12 dishes, perfect for your daily needs, even in tight spaces like apartments or dorms. Enjoy effortless setup. You can use it with its built-in water tank or connect it directly to your faucet with the included hose. Keep your baby's items and oily dishes sparkling clean. Its special mode washes at a high temperature of 167 degrees Fahrenheit for thorough sanitization. This versatile appliance not only washes but also dries and stores your dishes. Enjoy hot air drying and automatic ventilation for fresh, odor-free tableware. It comes with everything you need, including racks and baskets, to easily clean all your dishes, cutlery, and even fruits and vegetables. In a hurry? Select the speed mode to get your dishes clean and dry in just 29 minutes, ready for immediate use. What we like? This model offers a dedicated baby care mode, perfect for sanitizing baby bottles and utensils at a high temperature. If you have a young child or are concerned about hygiene for delicate items, this is a standout feature. Its comprehensive 5-wash programs also ensure you have the right setting for any load, making it a versatile choice for families. What people say. The dishwasher is surprisingly quiet, even when running a heavy cycle. It fits perfectly on my counter and doesn't take up too much space. The multiple wash cycles allow for flexibility depending on the load size and how dirty the dishes are. Number 4. Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Introducing a compact and powerful dishwasher designed for your convenience. It offers multiple washing programs to tackle any load. With its easy-to-use LED digital controls and automatic water level indicator, operating this appliance is a breeze. It ensures optimal cleaning with minimal effort. Enjoy the flexibility of filling it up either through the built-in tank or a water hose, which is conveniently included. This makes it perfect for any setting. Its portable size and lightweight design make it ideal for apartments, dorms, or even your RV. It can accommodate dishes up to 12 inches in diameter. Experience a streak-free deep clean thanks to the upper and lower spray arms. It effectively removes tough food residues for sparkling results. You can use pods, liquid, or powder detergents with this versatile machine. It's designed to work efficiently with your preferred cleaning solution. What we like? With 6 distinct wash programs, including a specific fruit cycle, this dishwasher is ideal for those who frequently wash produce or need a variety of cleaning options. The inclusion of a fruit-veg basket adds a unique convenience. If you value flexibility in your cleaning cycles and appreciate the added benefit of washing fruits and vegetables, this model is a great fit. What people say. The dishwasher is compact and fits perfectly on my counter. It cleans dishes effectively, even baked-on food. The different wash cycles are very useful for various loads. Number 3. Euhomy Countertop Dishwasher. Introducing a compact yet powerful dishwasher, designed to fit perfectly in your home. It efficiently cleans over 30 items, including plates up to 10.25 inches, and comes with convenient holders for cutlery, fruit, and even a kettle. Enjoy effortless operation with 2 water supply options, tank mode or faucet mode. Simply fill the built-in reservoir or connect it directly to your kitchen tap. No permanent installation is needed, making it adaptable to any kitchen setup. Choose from 6 versatile washing programs tailored for your family's needs: normal, quick, ECO, baby care heavy duty, and fruit. The baby care strong mode operates at a high 167 degrees Fahrenheit for thorough cleaning, ensuring even baby products and greasy dishes are spotless. This isn't just a dishwasher, it's also a dryer. After washing, it provides hot air drying followed by automatic ventilation, keeping your dishes fresh and odor-free. This function can be used with most wash cycles or independently. Save up to 80% water compared to hand washing with its efficient 5L water tank. It's certified by ETL and DOE for safety, quality, and energy-saving performance, and comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. Please note the included water inlet hose is compatible with G3 4-inch faucets. An adapter may be needed separately. It's recommended to use detergent specifically designed for dishwashers and avoid washing BPA plastics. Rest assured, our dishwashers are waterproof tested to ensure quality. You might notice water droplets inside, which is normal due to this testing. We recommend running it empty for 5 minutes before the first use. What we like. This option boasts an eco-friendly design, saving significant water compared to hand washing, making it perfect for the environmentally conscious consumer. Its 6 programs, including a robust baby care heavy-duty mode at 167 degrees Fahrenheit, ensure thorough cleaning for all needs. If you're looking for an energy-efficient solution that doesn't compromise on cleaning power, especially for tough messes or baby items, this is the one. What people say. It is very compact and fits perfectly on my countertop. Washes dishes well and is very quiet. Easy to install and use. Number 2. Clorox Free and Clear Cleaning Wipes. Introducing Clorox Free and Clear Cleaning Wipes. Experience a powerful clean without harsh chemicals, perfect for your everyday messes. Enjoy the refreshing, light lemon scent that leaves your home smelling fresh. It's a clean you can feel good about. Each pack contains 75 wipes, providing ample cleaning power for all your needs. Keep them handy for quick cleanups. Get more value with this convenient pack of 3. You'll have plenty on hand for every room in your house. These wipes are designed for a worry-free cleaning experience. They are safe for use on various surfaces, giving you peace of mind. Trust in the Clorox brand for effective and reliable cleaning solutions. Make your home sparkle with ease. What we like. This dishwasher is designed for ultimate convenience, requiring no hookup and featuring an ultra-compact design that fits even the smallest spaces. If you live in a dorm, a tiny apartment, or a boat and need a dishwasher that's easy to place and use without plumbing modifications, this model is an excellent choice. Its 360 degrees dual spray ensures effective cleaning despite its small size. What people say. The dishwasher is compact and fits perfectly on my counter. It cleans dishes effectively, even baked-on food. The different wash cycles are very useful for various types of loads. Number 1. COMFEE Portable Mini Dishwasher. Enjoy sparkling clean dishes anywhere. This compact dishwasher features a built-in water tank, so you can place it wherever it's convenient without needing a direct water connection. Its ultra-compact design is ideal for apartments, RVs, and dorm rooms. It efficiently cleans over 30 items, including plates up to 9.5 inches, without taking up much counter space. Choose from 6 convenient programs to suit your needs, including normal, rapid, hygiene, fruit wash, and glass settings. An air refresh mode ensures dishes stay dry and fresh. The hygiene cycle heats water to a powerful 162 degrees Fahrenheit, effectively cleaning tough grease and ensuring dinnerware is sanitized, even for baby items. Activate the air refresh mode to circulate air, keeping your dishes and the interior dry and odor-free. You can easily turn this feature on or off as needed. Simply add water manually or connect to your faucet with the included hose. Remember to use standard dishwasher detergents for optimal performance, and no detergent is needed for the fruit cycle. What we like. The standout feature here is the high-temp hygiene cycle, reaching 162 degrees Fahrenheit, which is fantastic for ensuring maximum cleanliness, especially for baby dinnerware or heavily soiled dishes. If your priority is a truly sanitary clean and you often deal with greasy pots or baby items, this model excels. The additional air dry function helps keep everything fresh and ready to use. What people say. It is very quiet and does a great job cleaning. It is very compact and fits perfectly on my counter. The different wash cycles are very convenient and effective. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.